these two, or the okay, so there's a breakdown here on the lower cervical or upper dorsal. We'll come back to that, and then this L5 right here, no doubt. Okay, I'm going to set these, and then we got an issue with the left shoulder. So the scapula here is rotated laterally, posterior and laterally, and then the X-ray on the shoulder shows an anterior humerus. So we're going to set all those today. Amelia, you can pick up. Can you show me the range of motion there up to the other side? To here, like how you said it's hard to do this. It's good side, and then that's the tough one. How high can you get the left arm up? Okay, no problem. And where are we at in the right? Okay, that's better than it was. Is it better than it was? Okay, yeah. So over here, you can relax. So right here we have a pressure in the lower dorsal, or the upper dorsal, the lower cervical. I'll find out in a minute. We have an L5. We're going to set L5, then we're going to set this this here, and then we're going to set the scapula is rotated laterally here. So posterior lateral scapula, and the X-ray confirms her humeral head is anterior. So we're going to set both those today. Okay. So initially, Amelia, you couldn't walk coming in. Is that right?
Yeah.
What was going on?
¿Qué me quiere decir?
Inicialmente, cuando primero vino a la oficina, ¿qué molestias tenía? Mencionó no poder caminar muy bien.
Ajá, y el brazo, y me temblaba mucho el brazo.
What was that?
Her hands, she couldn't walk that well, and her arm would shake.
Okay, and the leg was the bad one. I remember that. Okay, lado derecho. Okay, we're going to set L5 on you here. Bien. Good. Good. Respira. Good. Good. Nice and gentle, super gentle. Okay, come on over here. And have a seat here. So that was really hard to walk before you came in. Okay. Okay. Más dolor aquí o más dolor aquí?
Primero.
Primero, yeah. How about if I go down? Más dolor aquí or aquí? Aquí?
Ahí.
O aquí?
Ahí.
The first or the second one? Top one?
Uh-huh.
Top one, okay. So we're at C7. We're going to set C7 here. Okay, nice and gentle. Okay. That goes down into the arms and the hands there. So we're going to recheck this here. So there's our break there. So seeing something. I'm going to go up one more. Okay, so L5 is good. I'm going to move up just one segment here. So then it's fully cleared. So we're going to move up to C6 here. Come on back. Okay. So that was it. So we had to move up one segment there. And C6 is clearing that out. So we're good on that. We're going to set the scapula, and then we're going to set the shoulder here. Amelia. So, okay, amiga. Put this aquí. You okay there?
Mm-hmm.
So that's a little bit better there than it was last time. Okay, amiga. Very good. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, one more. So that scapula's shifted laterally on her, and it's making it very difficult for the humeral head to articulate in the scapula. Come on over here, one more. And derecho. Okay. So just lie on your back, boca arriba.
Oh.
See. Good. Excellent. Okay, good. Okay. You okay?
Mm.
Good. Okay. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay? How much does it hurt when I bring it up here? Is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay, is that okay there? Okay, so we're just going to set the humeral head back. You okay this?
Mm-hmm.
I got you. I got you. Relax. Can that come up any higher? Or is that it? That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There it is. You're already clunking in. Okay. Good job. You okay? You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any difference in range of motion? Good. Bien. Any difference with that? Okay. Slightly.
More.
Okay. Poquito.
Uh-huh.
Okay, good. Poco poco, little by little.
Okay.
Okay, you're good. You're good. All right, little by little. We're great.